Today I'm going to show you how to create a front and back cover for a magazine. First of all, I've already created some content for this magazine here, but I'm going to create the front and back page by using the master page instead. So I've already have a cover page and a back page which is blank. And to create a front and back page, I'm going to create a new master page. I'm going to rename this front and back covers, facing, and you can always set your own dimensions, but I'm not going to go over that right now. I'm going to take this whole image here, I'm going to go copy and paste it in the front and back cover. The alignment should be exactly the same. From here, I'll take the elements from the cover page, copy, and paste it right here. I'm going to hold shift to all the elements and it automatically snaps into the place where it should be. So now you have the front and the back cover. Next step, go back to your page, the first page, right click, and go to Apply Master. Select front and back covers, or whatever you name it, click on it, make sure it's on page 1, replace existing, and push OK. And that will get you the cover. Now the back cover is going to be the same thing. Go to Apply Masters, select the master page, last page, in my case is 26, yours could be 64 or something else, replace existing, and OK. And that gives you the back cover. Now my printer is not working right now and I haven't been able to test it yet, but if I were to print the back and the front, both pictures should line up together. And that's it. And I thank Mr. Ted Crosby, who had commented on my YouTube video a few days ago. And thank you for the opportunity to let me help you.